Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to make a blackened salmon Caesar salad today. So my favorite thing to order at Nordstrom Cafe is a blackened salmon Caesar salad with tomato soup on the side. If you guys haven't tried it, if you guys get to go after this whole thing's cleared, I definitely recommend it. But in the meantime, I'm gonna try to make it at home. So let's get started. First, you're gonna need some salmon fillets. I got these at my local grocery store at the seafood counter. I'm taking a plate and adding some seasonings to it. So first, I'm using ground paprika, about a tablespoon, garlic powder, teaspoon, and Old Bay seasoning, about a teaspoon of that as well. I'm also going to add cayenne pepper. You can skip this step if you don't like spice. So just half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper or more if you like spicy. And some black pepper. I'm doing about a teaspoon of black pepper. And some oregano, about a teaspoon of oregano. And some salt, of course, a teaspoon of salt. And then you're just gonna mix it all together with your hands. I added a little bit more salt there. Now we're gonna lay the salmon onto the seasoning mixture that we just made. We're gonna coat it evenly on all three sides. So you're just gonna leave the bottom part bare. And I'm just patting it in. For the girls, I'm just slightly adding the seasoning on it because they don't like too much. So I'm just lightly tapping a little bit on there. Now you're gonna get an iron skillet. If you have one, a frying pan works fine too. And you're gonna heat the pan and make sure it's super steaming hot. So you can see the heat going off of the pan. I'm taking a little piece of butter and greasing up the pan. Now we're gonna take our salmon, and with our seasoning part face down, we're gonna cook that for about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how thick your salmon fillets are. I did mine about three minutes. They cook super fast and you don't want it to overcook, so just keep that in mind. Alright, once that side is cooked, it's gonna look like this. So yummy, look at that. Now we're gonna put it on the side, also where the seasoning part is. So we're gonna lean them against each other so they can stand up. We're gonna flip it over again to the other side with the seasoning. I'm going to add another slice of butter to the pan. Okay, we're cooking each side about 2 to 3 minutes, and then this is our last side. We're gonna cook that for another 2 minutes. The last finishing touch, we're gonna squeeze some lemon on top. And we're done. Look at how beautiful they look, so yummy. Now for the salad, I'm cutting up some romaine lettuce. Don't mind the random noises in the background, it's my family and Olive. So you just want to rough chop the lettuce and then put it into a bowl. I'm just using a bottled Caesar dressing, and I'm going to toss the salad into the dressing and mix it very well. And now we have a perfect bed for our salmon to lay on. Look how pretty it looks. I'm so happy with the way it came out. It looks perfect. And now I'm gonna garnish it with some Parmesan cheese and some lemon slices. I love lemon with my Caesar salads. And here it is. Yay! Thank you guys so much for cooking with me today, and I hope you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. You can follow me on @SallyJessica and @PackMyLunchMom on Instagram. And you can go to my blog for more recipes at sallyjessica.com. I will see you guys later. I hope you have a happy and safe day. Bye.